Hello students. Our next topic is density of unit cell. Density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, and mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in unit cell multiplied by mass of each atom, and mass of each atom is equal to atomic mass divided by Avogadro's number. It means mass of unit cell is equal to Z into M divided by N naught. And the volume of unit cell, suppose H of unit cell is equal to A picometer. Now in centimeter it is equal to A into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. Therefore, the volume of unit cell is equal to A cube into 10 raised to power minus 30 centimeter cube. And now density is equal to mass of unit cell, that is Z number of atom, into atomic mass divided by Avogadro's number, and its volume in centimeter, that is A cube into 10 raised to power minus 30. Now density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into N naught into 10 raised to power minus 30 gram per centimeter cube. Now if A is taken in centimeter in place of picometer, then it is equal to number of atom into atomic mass divided by A cube into N naught, that is Avogadro's number. Numericals based on it. Silver forms CCP lattice, and the X-ray studies of its crystal show that edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Now in this numerical, edge length A is given, that is 408.6 picometer. Calculate density of silver in kilogram in kg per meter cube. Number of silver atom per unit cell, Z is equal to 4 in this case, and molar mass we know it is 107.9 gram per mole. In kg per mole it is 107.9 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole. Edge length is given, that is 408.6 picometer. Now in meter it is equal to 408.6 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. Now we know density is equal to Z number of atom into a molar mass divided by A cube, that is H cube, into N naught, that is Avogadro's number. Z is equal to 4 and molar mass 407.9 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole, and A cube is equal to 408.6 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter cube, and N naught Avogadro's number is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now answer is 10.5 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube. Next numerical, an element has body-centered cubic structure. Body-centered cubic structure means Z is equal to 2 with edge length 288 picometer. A is equal to 288 picometer. Now इस केस में हम इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, इन सेंटीमीटर. The density of element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? First, Z is equal to 2, edge length is equal to 288 picometer, and density of element is given, that is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. We know density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into N naught. Density is equal to 7.2 Z in BCC2. Atomic mass we have to calculate, divided by A cube, 288 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter cube, and Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 per mole. Now in this case molar mass is 51.8. It means mass of 51.8 element contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. From this, we can calculate number of atoms present in 208 gram of element. And answer is 24.17 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Next numerical is X-ray difflection studies shows that copper crystallize in an FCC unit cell. FCC means Z is equal to 4 with edge length 3.608 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. In separate experiment, copper is determined to have density 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate atomic mass of copper. Now in this numerical, density is given, edge length is given, and FCC means Z is equal to 4 is given, and we have to calculate atomic mass of copper. We know density is equal to Z, that is number of atom, into M divided by A cube into N naught. Now M is equal to density into A cube into N naught divided by Z. Density in this case is 8.92 and edge length 3.608 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter, and N naught Avogadro's number we know 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and Z in FCC is equal to 4. Therefore, answer of this numerical is 63.1. Next numerical, copper crystallizes in FCC lattice, means Z is equal to 4 with edge length 3.61 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Show that calculated density is in agreement with its value 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. We know density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into N naught. By putting the value of Z, that is in FCC 4, and molar mass 63.5 divided by A cube 3.61 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter, and Avogadro's number 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23, and the density is 8.97 gram per centimeter cube, which is in close agreement with calculated value. Next is gold, atomic mass 197, atomic radius 0.144 nanometer, crystallize in FCC unit cell. FCC means Z is equal to 4. Calculate the density of gold. We know density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into N naught. Z is equal to 4 and M is equal to 197, but the value of A is not given, but value of radius is given, that is 0.144 nanometer. From this formula, we can calculate the value of A. Now A is equal to 2 root 2R, 2 into 1.414 into 0.144 nanometer. Now answer in centimeter is 0.407 into 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. From this we can calculate density. Now density is equal to 4. Density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into N naught, where Z is equal to 4 and M197, that is given in the numerical. A cube 0.407 into 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter cube. N naught 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and answer is 19.4 gram per centimeter cube.